Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's session we will discuss basic of computer, main components of computer, input device, output device, storage device, how computer works. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. So this is the definition of a computer. Computer is an electronic device and it has the ability to store, retrieve as well as process data. Computer can be used to perform a wide range of tasks. For example, simple calculations. You can do your work simultaneously using the computer. Who is father of computer? Charles Babbage. He is the father of the computer. Main components of computer. Hardware and software are the two main components of computer. Hardware. Physical parts of computer is called as hardware, or you can say as tangible parts of computer. Under hardware, we get input device, output device, storage, memory, CPU, central processing unit, motherboard. Software. The instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Software gives instructions for hardware. Under software, we get operating system, applications, drivers. So what are the two main components of computer? Hardware, software. Now you know what is hardware, you know software as well. Input device. An input device is a piece of hardware used to provide data and control signals to a computer. Keyboard, touchscreen, scanners, mouse, microphone, webcam are few examples for input device. As I told before, under hardware we get input device. Input device is used to feed data to the computer. Using these devices, data is fed to the computer. Keyboard, touchscreen, scanners, mouse, microphone, webcam. Keyboard, by typing, data is fed to the computer. Touchscreen, by using the touchpad, data is fed to the computer. Scanners, by scanning, data is fed to the computer. Mouse, by clicking and scrolling, by clicking, data is fed to the computer. Microphone, by speaking, your voice as data, it is entered to the computer. Webcam, by recording, it is entered to the computer. So these devices used to feed data to the computer, and this is called as input device. Output device. Allow users to receive information from the computer. Monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, projector are few examples for output device. Output device also comes under hardware. Using input device, we used to feed data. To receive that fed data as information, we need output device. For example, using keyboard, we used to type a document. We'll assume we are typing a document using the keyboard. Keyboard is the input device which is used to feed data to the computer. The fed data can be represented as information using the output device, that is a monitor. So output device is used to receive information from the computer. Storage device. Storage devices are hardware devices used to store digital data. RAM, random access memory, hard disk drives, CD, DVD are few examples for storage device. Storage devices comes under hardware and it is used to store digital data. When output device receives the information, those information can be saved for future use using the storage device. How computer works? There are 4 steps for computer to work. Input, process, storage, output. Input. Data is entered into the computer through input device. Data is fed to the computer using the input device. First, you have to feed data. Process. The CPU processes the data based on the instructions from the software. Using the CPU. CPU, what is CPU? The brain of the computer. And based on the instructions given from the software, it processes. For example, if you are entering 2 plus 2 in the computer calculator, it processes using the CPU and the instructions given from the computer software. Storage. Data is stored in memory or on storage device. So you can store the data on computer memory or either in storage device. This can be helped for the future use. You can have a backup. If you have a data loss, you can use the data on the storage device. Output. The processed data is presented to the user through output devices. For example, you're typing a document. You can display it using the monitor. That is the output device. You can display the information from the output device. So these are the four main steps how computer works: input, process, storage, output. That's the end of today's session. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and share. Thank you.